Let's set up your new LEVOLOR Premium Six-Channel app-enabled remote control. This will allow you to make the most of your blinds, shades, and shutters. Your premium remote is compatible with the LEVOLOR app, which allows you to program, organize, and control all your motorized blinds, shades, and shutters from your mobile device. To get started, download the app from the Google Play or Apple App Store and follow the easy 3-step setup process, or continue watching for a guided walkthrough. In this video, you will learn how to program your remote, operate a window covering, create a favorite position, remove a window covering from a group, create a duplicate remote, and reset window limits. Let's get started. The first step is to program the remote to your window covering. Once your remote is programmed, you will be able to control the position of your window covering with the touch of a button. First, put the remote in program mode. Press and hold stop until the white programming light starts flashing, then release. Now, you will need to add your window covering to a group. Press the desired group number, then release. The blue group indicator light will flash to indicate it has been selected. With one hand, press and hold down the manual control button, typically located on the window covering's headrail. While continuing to hold down the manual control button, use your other hand to press and hold the up arrow on the remote control until the window covering jogs, moving slightly up and down one time, indicating it has been joined to the group. Release both buttons. To exit program mode, press and hold stop until the lights stop flashing. Once the window covering has been added to a group, the remote is ready to operate it. All window coverings within the same group will operate together simultaneously. It is recommended to group window coverings together based on their similarities in product features and use. To wake up the remote control, press stop. The blue indicator light of the last group selected will light up, activating the group. To select the window covering you wish to operate, press All or the group number. The group's blue indicator light will light up to show it has been selected. To deselect a group, press the group button again. The blue indicator light above the group button will dim. Once you select a group, you can then operate the window covering. Press the up arrow to raise the selected window covering, and press the down arrow to lower it. If the window covering has rotatable vanes, press the right arrow to rotate the vanes to the open position, and the left arrow to rotate the vanes to the closed position. Press stop to stop the window covering's movement anywhere along its path of travel. Press Favorite, and the window covering will move to your preset favorite position. Favorites store a preferred position for each individual window covering. The default setting is halfway lowered for a shade and horizontally positioned vanes or louvers for a blind or shutter. To create a favorite, use the manual control button to move the window covering to the preferred position. Put the remote control into program mode. Press and hold stop until the white programming light starts flashing, then release. With one hand, press and hold the manual control button. Using your other hand, press and hold Favorite on the remote until the window covering jogs, moving slightly up and down one time to indicate it has saved the position. Then release both buttons. To exit program mode, press and hold stop until the lights stop flashing. If you want to remove a window covering from a group, complete the following steps. Press and hold stop until the white programming light starts flashing, then release. The remote is now back in program mode. Press the desired group number. The blue group indicator light above will flash to show it has been selected. With one hand, press and hold the manual control button, typically located on the window covering's headrail. Now press and hold the down arrow on the remote until the window covering jogs, moving slightly up and down one time, indicating it has been removed from the group. Release both buttons. To exit program mode, press and hold stop until the white programming light stops flashing. Now let's create a duplicate remote to operate the same set of groups as the original remote. Remove the back cover from the new remote. Using a paperclip, press and hold the recessed reset button until the blue group lights flash on the front of the remote. The lights will produce a double flash at first, followed by a triple flash, making a total of 5 flashes. Then replace the back cover. Press and hold stop on the original remote until the white programming light starts flashing, then release. This will put it into program mode. Now press and hold All on the new remote. While continuing to hold down the All button on the new remote, press and release Stop on the original remote. All of the blue group lights on the new duplicate remote will flash twice to indicate the information has been copied. To exit program mode on the original remote, press and hold Stop until the lights stop flashing. If the window covering does not fully raise or lower, you can reset the length of the path of travel for your window covering, also known as the limits. To do so, complete the following steps. Press and hold the manual control button, typically located on the window covering's headrail, until the window covering jogs, moving slightly up and down one time. Release the manual control button. The window covering will now move on its own, establishing both the top and bottom motor limits. Once this process is complete, the window covering will move briefly in both directions, indicating the limits have been reset. If you run into any problems, first check the batteries. The remote uses 2 alkaline AAA batteries. If you run into trouble programming your remote or operating your motorized blinds, shades, or shutters, please refer to the troubleshooting section of the remote guide online at levolor.com or contact our customer service department. You're all set and ready to start enjoying your LEVOLOR blinds, shades, and shutters today, tomorrow, and every day. For more information, go to levolor.com.